All right. So I had a question about how to export your file as a JPEG. There's a couple ways you can do this. So you can do it from within the file. If you're just here, after you've made your adjustments and stuff, you hit the little share button. There is an option to save as an image, and you can just save two files. Here it says it's a JPEG image, so I'm just going to assume that that's the case. I'm going to name it accordingly. I'll just do a space, play, done, save. That's going to go to my folder there. So that's one way. That's from within the app while you're making your design. The other option is, if you've made your 6 designs or so, like if you just wanted to share this particular one, you would go to the share button, same thing, image, and then save to files. What this allows you to do is just give it a name, basically, which is, you're going to want to name it, and then you're going to want to give it, attention, or whatever your whatever design it is that you've made. So once you've saved it there, it's available in your files. So here's my files. I saved it to my Baylor stuff. You saw that number kind of jump up. So I've got play, tension, increase. Pick a rubric for your naming protocol and just use that. I like the underscore just because I think it looks better. But you can also just do a space. That's totally fine.